Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn nouns and type of nouns. Before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. First of all, what is noun? A noun is a word that names something, such as a person, place, thing, or idea. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of subject, direct object, indirect object, subject complement, object complement, a positive or adjective. Types of noun: proper noun, common nouns, concrete noun, abstract nouns, singular nouns, plural nouns, collective nouns, compound nouns, countable noun, uncountable nouns. Proper nouns. Proper nouns refer to a specific person, thing, place, or idea. These words should be capitalized. For example, Olivia, Barcelona. Common nouns. Common nouns are words that refer to undefined or generic people, places, or things. Example: house, country, child. Concrete nouns. A concrete noun is something that can be perceived through the five senses. If you can see, hear, touch, taste, or smell something, it uses a concrete noun. Example: apple, table. Abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are intangible ideas that can't be perceived with the five senses, such as social concepts, political theories, and character traits. Example: love, freedom. Singular nouns. Singular nouns are nouns that refer to only one person, place, or thing. Example: a cat, a banana. Plural nouns. Plural nouns refer to more than one of something. There are regular and irregular plural nouns. Example: car, cars, man, man. Collective nouns. A collective noun is a noun that functions as a singular noun while referring to a group of people or things. For example, team, crowd, family. Compound noun. A compound noun combines one or two words into one. For example, toothpaste, ice cream. Countable nouns. A countable noun is a noun that can count. Example: student, book, pen. Uncountable nouns. An uncountable noun is a noun that cannot be counted. Example: salt and water. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys learned something new.